guys.
Hello.
We're gonna go for a walk and the weather is so crazy. We're still gonna go out.
So windy and it's probably gonna rain, but we're very brave.
Yeah.
We're not made of sugar, so
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
windy, windy.
Crazy weather. But you like it like this, right?
Yeah, it's so
You
good.
like this weather.
This gloomy weather.
Oh my
So
gosh,
windy.
look at my hair.
Look at mine too. I'm gonna look like a crazy man now. And look, can you see the dust?
Yeah. Look at my hair. Look at my shoulder.
Wow. No, wait, do like this. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at the clouds, so many.
You better highway, really? I don't think I'll hear anything.
Yeah, I think the audio won't be so good, nah?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to scream. Let's show. Oh, look how it looks. So nice, right? A little hue of orange, pink, blue, purple. Ah,
Look at my hair.
my finger is going on the camera. Come. Oh, look, the dogs. They're so small and running after her. Oh, look, they're gonna make something here. Look, I think true for the water to go to drink. Ooh. And the little JCB. You missed the JCB, right? Come. What? Careful with the car. Let's go. Oh, but it looks so good, right?
Yeah.
Run a little bit. Let's see. Whoa, whoa. What a runner. It's not a dog, it's a plastic bag. Yeah. Frogs, I think. Toads, right? Let's go closer. It makes like that, right?
Yeah.
Here's a little bit of jungle.
A little bit.
A little bit of jungle in my life. I hope it rains so much.
At night, right? Not when we're walking.
Ah, when we're walking too. Just kidding. Oh guys, look. This building some days ago, it exploded. It blew up because there was a gas leakage. And one woman got hurt. And she's still in the hospital in critical condition. Look how it looks. Crazy, right? Look, it's everything broken. Ooh, got all broken here, the windows and all, and even on the other side too, it's broken. Crazy, nah? We're here in the market now. We made a little stop first to get the cream sonho, né? You know, sonho means dream, right, in Portuguese? So, yeah, let's see.
I hope it's there though.
Yeah. Oh, look, the pamonha, the one of corn. Let's see. Do they have? Let's show it. You're gonna order, or you want me to? Let's see, but I think it's the same one that was there, no? Or it's a new one? It's a new one.
Doce de leche and
But which one do we get?
I want this one.
You can get one again, okay?
Yeah.
Boa noite, tudo jóia?
We are back from our walk.
My hair is crazy, look.
It's okay. Even my hair is like so crazy. Anyway, we bought some stuff. We bought some stuff from the supermarket that we're gonna try. And okay, you explain what this is because I've never tried that.
Queijadinha. It's like cheese,
Here,
a
the
sweet
camera is
cheese.
over here.
It's a sweet cheese called queijadinho.
Okay,
very-
let's try it.
Very nice. Looks like a sausage.
Yeah.
But it's cheese.
Oh my god, I'm showing the whole house with my shaky hands. Not that weird. Okay, let's try it. Cheers. Mmm. I thought it was gonna be hard. Mmm, it's really good. Mmm.
Have you ever had a sweet cheese in your life?
No, but I've had milk candy. So it's like milk candy. Let's have the sauna.
Sonho. The sauna.
Sonho. Muito bom. It's like this. I really like
Show
this
the
style.
Ours. And the other one. This one is of cream. Yes.
I'm really showing them our whole house. Whole house.
Hold. Hold. Are you Russian or German?
This one is sonho. No?
Cream sonho.
Cream
This
sonho.
one is the
Doce de leite.
Doce de leite, gente.
Okay, this is mine. I like this one because this one is not so sweet. I'm gonna eat it. Wait.
And brown this way, I think it's better. Right? Take a bite from mine and then take a bite from yours. No, but hold it. Oh.
I don't have 4 hands.
4?
Wait, you have to hold the plate or it's gonna fall everywhere.
Oh, mind you. Almost caved everything. It's gonna be a mess here, look. All the...
More. You didn't see. You didn't.
It's
You
full
didn't
here.
see the powder
I
milk
didn't
on
see,
top.
no. I didn't see that it went like that.
It's always like that.
Yeah.
We're gonna enjoy our, what is it called? Cream bun, whatever it is. And
See you guys on the next video. This one
bye.
is
Thanks
just a
for
short
watching.
one. Yeah, please subscribe too and leave a like.
Yeah, and look at him. Bye.